So my scissors are somewhere close by. Here they are. So what I did to make it easier for those of you who might want to start following me at home with something like this in terms of how to get ready to cut out a t-shirt. So what I'll do is just cut out, let me see, can you see me cutting out over here? Yeah, I want to make sure you can see it. So I'm cutting out this process right now along the seam line of the t-shirt, okay? And then I'll go all the way up past the sleeves, around the neckline, and unfortunately I will not be able to use any of this faded out t-shirt for any other purposes. So I'm not really caring about how it really gets cut out, just so long as I don't mess up the back, because like I said, I can use the back piece for another project. Okay,